Hey everyone, and we're here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if you're getting the error code 0xc000000f in Windows 11. The first solution that you should always take in consideration is to launch the Startup Repair. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on System in the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find and select the Recovery section. Now just click on the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup, and your PC will now boot in the Windows Recovery screen. In here, select the Troubleshoot option, and lastly click on Advanced Options, followed by Startup Repair. From now on, your system will automatically take care of the remaining stages and resolve the issue that was encountered during the setup. Another useful solution is to use the CHKDSK utility. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. Then in the command prompt window, just type the following command and press on enter. Now the scan can take some time, so just wait and afterwards restart your PC. You can then check if the problem still persists. And lastly, you can also repair BCD through command prompt. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find and select the Recovery section. Now just click on the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup, and your PC will boot to the Windows Recovery screen. In here, just select Troubleshoot, then afterwards just click on Advanced Options followed by Command Prompt. Now once you're inside Command Prompt, just copy-paste the following commands from the description below, then press on Enter. Afterwards, just restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. And that's it, plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.